Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a remote control and an infrared receiver to control various electronic devices. In this project, you will learn about the command codes of the remote control, the transmission protocol, and how to program a PIC microcontroller to read the data transmission. For this project, you will need an NEC remote control and an infrared receiver. The receiver output can be connected to any digital input on the microcontroller with a 10K pull-up resistor. The following is a list of the 16-bit code values that are generated when the associated key is pressed on the remote control. Each 16-bit code value is preceded by a constant 16-bit remote control address value. To read the 32 bits of the transmitted data, we need to synchronize the data acquisition with the transmission protocol. Let's take a look at the transmission protocol. The data transmission begins with a 9 milliseconds mark followed by a 4.5 millisecond space. This information will be used to identify the starting point at which the data will be transmitted. Each data bit has a 562.5 microsecond mark followed by a space. It is the time length of the space which determines whether the data is a logic note or a logic 1. The following snippet of code is used to look for the mark and space time of the received data within specified time frame limits. You can now use the same technique with a little bit of coding to read the 32 bits of received data. If you have followed my previous tutorials, you should now be able to control servo motors using a remote control. If you have any questions, you can contact me at my email address at the end of the tutorial.